Hi guys, we're just going to do a quick video to talk about the key fob. We've had a couple of clients who complained that the connection area here on the key fob has been breaking. It is only a very small amount of clients. It is 0.002%. However, if that client is you, it can be very frustrating, and we just want to really talk about best practice when connecting your keys and everything to the key fob. So this area here is actually made out of plastic rather than metal. We do that for good reason. We know you guys really value the price of our product, and we work very hard to make that a very valued product at a keen price, and we have to do that somehow with some economies of scale, and that's why this is made out of plastic at the moment. So one of the issues we see is that some clients are actually putting two larger key rings and split rings in this area, so they're actually forcing this area here. You can see here I've put this, what we call a key swiveler, in the hole. It's stressing the actual plastic here. In fact, actually it's very tight. I'm putting that as hard as I can and it's not breaking. However, in this environment it's really nice and warm, and as such this is a very flexible piece of plastic. And one of the concerns is if we're in the cold, this becomes a little bit more brittle, and in those environments putting stress under that can possibly cause a break. So what we prefer to do is we'd rather than putting a large split ring or such an item as that in here, do it the other way around. So we'll just take our smaller split ring, put it in the hole, okay, and then we have a nice, it's actually got a little bit of space in there to move around. It's not causing stress in that environment. Again, I'm pulling it really hard. You can see I'm pulling it there, and that plastic is bending. And even though I am pulling it hard, it isn't breaking. It is those cold environments that mostly will cause those issues. So if you can get hold of one of these swivelers, really good, because it doesn't then cause a twisting event here, because most of the action will work through this swiveler, and we just hook it onto our keys, and really that's best practice when connecting your keys to the key fob to prevent any breakages in the future. If you need any of these key swivelers, we have them in stock. Just get in contact and we'll help you out. Hope that helps.